Hello, and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the top border around the fingerless gloves. It's kind of like a picot stitch, but not exactly, so I'm not sure if it's called something else. Anyways, so you've just slip stitched from the previous round to join. You're going to chain one. You're going to single crochet in that same stitch as the chain there. So right in there, you're going to do a single crochet. I'm going to mark that as the beginning of that top round. Mark that. Do 2 chains. 1, 2. Then I'm going to single crochet in the exact same stitch again. That's your first little near picot stitch. Then I'm going to skip that next stitch and I'm going to do a single crochet. So skipping that one, working in this one, do a single crochet and repeat that. Chain 2 and then just single crochet in that same stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around. So skip a stitch, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in that same stitch, skip, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and just repeat that around. Just adds a little decoration to the top of that glove, and pretty simple and quick to do. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and join that into this marked stitch. It's probably easier to take that out first with a slip stitch. Slip stitch, get the scissors, and then finish it off by pulling that through, and can wait to weave in the end, but I like to go ahead and get that done. So use your yarn needle and weave it in into the inside of the glove. I'm going to do that kind of in a little circle. Alright, and I will trim that off. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. And next we will add the thumb. Thank you for watching. Bye.